Sometimes you have to take things easy and appreciate every kind of music. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. What could Tommy Lee, Valiant, and Russian be planning? I feel it's gonna be a hit song. Maybe the song of the summer?
Every killer with me pongo. Nobody can cross me, no TikTok.
France has mandated that all filtered Instagram photos be labeled and promotion of plastic surgery has been banned. I guess they want everyone to keep it real. Not really sure what happened with Chronix when he took the microphone in halfway through, but I'm sure he did not expect that reaction at all. Another beryllium truck attacked. What is going on? On the flip side, suspects have been held and charged regarding the most recent attack in Spanish Town. I watched too much movie. And finally, holding the spot this week, Buwaji and Krumi does a 9.99 at Boys and Girls Champs. Easy.
It's an electrifying start by Buwaji and Krumi. Daly and Benjamin are chasing relentlessly, and Krumi steps on the accelerator, goes away in grand style. It's a great performance. 997. Wow, we have just seen the first ever top 10 in the history of champs. Comment the hour.
I'm sure he could have probably gone faster. What a way fast, mighty. Wow. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG at TVJ Intense for everything in entertainment and more. Up next, Sanjay chats to Chris Malachi. Intense soon forward.